Combo Part 2, people. Hey, I want everybody check in February 13th.
Welcome back, viewers. Top of the morning, we are going to talk about Combo Boss Party Part 2. Also, we are going to talk about people from Jamaica call police on Popcaan when I'm in the UK. Also, we are going to talk about Shenseea and enough little things. So, subscribe before watching. Yeah, guys, so Popcaan say I would like to know why someone with authority in Jamaica send information to England immigration that I'm a gang leader and I got charged with firearm. This is not cool at all. From my own country, why I have to be sitting in immigration for over 3 hours. Words from Popcaan himself, people. So go check out him Instagram for see when last him have a recent post, you know. So seems like him free right now. But I mean, who really did that? Who do that? Who does that, yo? Like, guys, when I got tell a lie, still me just have to share it with you know. You see me, and no fight people get out there, you see me? No fight.
Combo Part 2, people. Hey, I want everybody check in February 13th. See me and Kedisha pussy clump up. Shanice my name, me no carry Janja. If you no like it, then fuck off. See the pussy ya. No smiley face, no laugh. Babylon can't find me. Me no last 3 grand for your back as 2 grand for your suck off. Oh, it go February the 13th. Now go good again. Watching the ladies, on have fret if no man, I go come a Combo Part 2 and left there with no farmer disease because watching my the people them they right on the foot at the venue. So I go check on to see if no want to no check up now no at all. Me I have whole heap of condom, me I get whole heap of condom, every type of condom, long love, rough rider, slam, combo condom. Every type of condom I go there. So now I go fret. Everything I go there. Every single thing I go there. So no like say one no man come a Combo Part 2. No man I go left Combo Part 2 with no disease. No. Because as I say, every type of condom is there.
I make on ear for yourself, you know, Combo Part 2 February the 3rd. This is not sponsored by me. None at all, people. Not you wanna hear me there talk about it. Just want to show no place gone to the Dawg end of the day and them things where I broadcast. And then again, we just want to say it's a good look on some people's side. But cause last time the party did keep it and then we have support 2 in it. So here it is. You know, so we there we are watch you go on and thing you don't know the combo boss and no flap dolly and them something there. You see me? Hey, bad dolly. Alright people, I give you a quick update on Jahcure because him did have hearing in the court. So after 2 hours of hearing today, reggae singer Jahcure was remanded once again until March the 8th when the trial, the substantive hearing into his attempt murder case in Amsterdam will take place. So we wish him luck on that end of the day, because you don't know. Body make mistake, but that's some serious said way, me. People, me I share the best video for last said way, cause this is the first me ever see Wull, Dawg and Shenseea upon one life. You know them man, they are the flirt god.
Then, me start by a lot of rapping. So anytime me a DM Shenseea, me a DM at blood clot, big old car. I say send me a number. That me a tell you. That me a tell you. Let me tell you this. Show me a big building. Show me a big building. A big headquarter you building now.
No, Dali cute. Dali attitude. Hey, where gone? Where gone? Ramisha, you running right now. You running. Whoa, so you're ready. No man, give me some angles. Watch out the candidates. Come on, just so. Yeah. Hey. What gone? My husband, Ramisha fights me out.
Eh?
Ramisha fights me out. I'm tired to talk to him.
Ramisha fight me out.
May I tell you? Fight we out.
Oh my
me
God, I was so sad, but you made my heart start melt. Oh my God. Oh, you're so beautiful. Why are you so beautiful?
And the money we sent me from the badge them last night.
Oh my God. I'll send you 5 bills come here. Can you get to all light if you want?
Talk truth.
Oh, you're pretty, sir.
Anyway, slip and shoot. I want to take one day and talk.
Rubbish, that's my phone, man. Oh, that's... Why?
All right, thank me now. Thank me now.
Respect me, General.
Okay.
Yo, I think we need to go buy some jackets.
Man, you say you run. You run. Hey, you run.
No, me run to Shenseea just a while ago.
I say him could run.
You run off a while ago?
Yeah, me run off.
I say you could run.
No, Shenseea made me ask
You see me I try to show
Lie.
you, boy.
I thought we want people running. Lie.
You see me I show you, boy. After me get you say you want turn in your life. So me I say, all right, see the opportunity I know. Just talk and
and that she said. She said, if I never run me, spend out a long time.
Everything. Where's the Romy shall fight you out?
Yeah, I'm a believer, you know, because she like me. So if I never run me, shall fight me.
You fight him out?
No, I'm not fighting for you.
You see it? You have a chance, dog.
Yo, ding dong.
Yeah, my brother.
So when me I drop a song, my father.
Funny.
I have a song with Charles Blacks, released in the next 2 weeks. Then me have 6 Boss I release a song in the next 3 weeks. I hear a song me I wait upon. If you see a rhythm where you upon with JB, me have a rhythm, just my song for release.
The rhythm there? Yo, a Friday my song I release on the rhythm. Normal pray.
Your song I release Friday?
Yeah. Normal pray.
Alright then. Me I wait upon JB right now to release the song.
Remember Chronic Lord upon the rhythm too. You get the rhythm?
No, more you do a song on the X-Gang Records.
Yeah.
So me can build my record. Yo, Ding, me tell them, you know. You see you? Although you come over here, so me see you. I rate me, but Ding, me I tell you, you know, me they think my boss, you know, me pussy clot, youth.
Yeah.
When me see you down at video shoot, you know.
Yeah.
I tell the cameraman, say, in there too near.
Yeah.
I want a whole field show up. Me say, bumbo clot. The man I said, Ding, we just want a passport size video shot. The man said, we don't do passport. Show.
Hold on.
Man said, do a video shot, full shot.
Yo, me show you what you want. Hold on. Watch you go on now, yard. Watch you go on now, yard.
That's not Ramesh my name right now, my date of birth. No, my name is Paris on star, my name is Paris on Hakeem O'Neal Carr. March 9th, 1989. This time I just tell Ramesh my date of birth. Ramesh more forward than Jamaica sat them on it. What is it not going on there? A big bike shop. A big bike shop going on there. Ramesh, take your phone. Just tell them the date of birth and everything. More forward than Jamaica sat them on it.
I tell you what, exhibition. Crash and mash up.
That big signal going on around me, sister, man.
Yeah.